Guys, welcome to Chilling with Ali and Mali. Look what we wake up to this morning. A little baby cat. It's a kitten. Come baby, don't go there, you're gonna fall. Look at this. A little kitten on our step.
On the step.
And it's afraid and it cannot go up the stairs, and we don't want to touch it because you know they say if you touch it then mommy won't own it. It wants to come down but it cannot come down. It wants to go up but it cannot go up. It's scared. Molly, come on.
Wow.
Go in it. They're afraid of it. He's not gonna trouble you. Go, Molly. Go beside it, Molly.
never do.
Look at this. It's so afraid.
We're not
It's
even
a
going
baby.
to close down. We have cat before. Very good. A little bit more up.
Go up there now.
No, not far up. Cause I know that. Hi guys, this is a cat, a baby cat. It's called a kitten. And mommy left it. And now it's scared to go up. Now it can't go down. See it? It's a cat, baby cat. We are right on the steps looking at it. It's just a fun baby cat.
You like the cat, Molly?
I like it too.
So go up there.
Go close.
Don't go too close.
We won't. Stay right here. And see, that's a big cat. The big cat is scared to come down.
Go up the next one.
This one,
Yeah.
he don't come down.
Molly, don't do that again.
We are staying right here. See? It says meow like a big cat. See? And we can come down. See? The cat is too scared to come down.
Oh, mommy cat is wicked, right? This is a wicked mommy cat.
Yeah, because she lives.
She leave her baby and she gonna leave her baby.
Yes.
Poor baby doesn't know what to do.
Yes. Doesn't know what to do.
And we are making him worse. We're making him afraid.
Yeah, because he's scared.
You guys wanna go and be his mommy?
Huh?
Wanna go and be his mommy?
No.
Hi.